we're unboxing my baby cousin stuff. It's with my tita. Yeah, my tita's with me unboxing. Yeah, I cannot. Yeah, this me and my tita
Okay,
are gonna
the first
unbox.
one. Okay, can you get it?
Okay, let's just show the first one that followed. The first one is this one, I guess. Yeah, it's this one. Don't mind the charger. Yeah. Okay, I don't even know what is this. What is in this? And the second one, the third one. Wait, show the third one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
He has a lot. Oh, no.
Wait, that's mine. I also have like that.
Oh, but that's not yours. That's baby toddlers.
Yeah, but I also have like that.
Yeah. What's inside this? Okay. Lantawan ni mong video
Yeah.
diya. Sa video ka maglantaw para mataro.
Yeah.
First is a
That-
nebulizer.
Yeah. Because in case she has obo. And the
This
next.
is baby's bracelet.
Wait.
Hindi pwede ni mo.
Wait, I'm just getting something. Next up is her thermometer. Here's her thermometer.
I don't know what is this for.
oh,
Maybe
that's-
for the sip-on. Yeah,
yeah.
they're gonna sip the sip-on.
No, that's for the nose.
Yeah.
Because, or, no, it's when, it's also pwede siya dire sa stuff,
Okay,
or when,
next is-
when na siya, it turns like cactus, naka-hiccup siya cactus, dahil
Oh,
na
so
turns
cute. The baby
niya.
pato.
Wait, pwede po ni sa
Wow.
turns niya, because when na siya,
Oh,
it
it's so
turns,
soft.
like, mami, kupti sa libe.
Oh, stop the video.
No, kupti sa kajud, bigla ko eh. So, like, inani siya, mami. Antaw, di ba? Example, na kay turn. Tay, si Ana, rin, ewan mo ipislit, kay mo gawa siyang turn.
Wow. Okay.
And let's just put this back.
This is baby battle.
Yeah. It's color blue. Bro, she has an extra one.
For the water and for the milk.
Yeah. And what is even this for?
I don't know. What's the color? This battle.
Yeah.
Let's check the color. The
Wait, let's do
battle.
an ASMR first.
Oh, same color.
Yeah. Wait, do the ASMR. I want ASMR. That's better.
Done.
The next one, what is it? Are you serious?
Maybe this is baby stumble.
What is this for? Bro, what is this?
To clean the bottle.
Huh?
To clean the baby bottle.
Okay.
And nothing more.
Oh, another baby bottle. There's still more.
Nothing more. That's mixer.
Oh.
For the baby. Okay, that's it. That's
Yeah.
all for today's video. Goodbye, guys.
Bro, there's still more.
Oh, that's baby stuff.
Yeah. But we're still gonna check that. What is that?
I don't think we need to because that's just the same.
No, it's not.
It is.
No. It's not the same. Just let us check it out. We're done with this, guys. That was this ASMR day. First
Nothing more.
stop,
This
this.
is for the glucose.
First stop, his little
Oh,
shield.
this shoes is so cute. Show it to the video.
There's an extra shoes.
Wait, you have to watch sa video. Dili ka dira mag-watch para maklaro yung video. Oh, so cute. A Converse shoes for the baby.
Yeah, next stop is...
His toys.
Yeah, let me squish it.
Spider-Man.
Let me squish it. And next up is Ducky.
Jackie. Still. What is this? Oh.
Just don't mind that this is...
I don't know what is this for.
How about this one?
I don't know what is this for too.
Yeah.
For this is for his mommy.
Yeah.
This is when he's going to take a bath.
Okay.
This is his sabon.
Okay.
Unilove for his bottle. That's it. Nothing more. This is his musket.
Yeah.
Nothing more.
Yeah, nothing more.
So that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.